Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable the built-in store pickup option in Shopify step by step. So right now, if I head over to the cart and go to checkout, you'll notice there's only a delivery option showing up. No pickup. That's what we're going to fix. Head to your Shopify admin and click Settings in the bottom left. From the sidebar, select Shipping and Delivery. Then scroll down until you see Pickup in Store. It's off by default. Click on it and you'll see a list of all your store locations. I'm going to enable pickup for my USA main location. Click on it and toggle the slider on. You'll see an option for expected pickup date. Set this based on your schedule. For my store, I do 24 hours, so I'll select that. There's also a store transfer option. When turned on, if a product is out of stock at another pickup location, Shopify will automatically transfer inventory to the current location to fulfill it. You can also add a custom message that shows in the checkout page. Once you're done, hit save. Now let's go back to the store and check out. You'll see two options now, shipping and store pickup. I'll select store pickup. It defaults to USA Main with the 24-hour window we set. Customer fills in payment form and hits pay now. Done. Now let's talk about customer notifications. Shopify gives you two email templates for pickup orders. You'll see ready for pickup, which is sent when you mark an order ready, and picked up by customer, sent after the order is picked up. Both are customizable. If you have questions, reach out via our support email or visit birdchime.com. For such tips and guides, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.